Greetings, YouTube model train people. I'm back with another 3D printed house from Thingiverse. This one is the Frank Lloyd Wright, what's it called again? Gordon House, sorry. The Gordon House. This is the only Frank Lloyd Wright house that was built in Oregon. I don't think it's in Oregon anymore. I think they moved it somewhere else, but well, printing this thing was a job. I worked on this every day after work. Before I went to work, I'd start printing some stuff, and afterwards I would finish it building the stuff. So I'll give you a little look at it here. The roofs and stuff are meant to come off so you can see inside. This is the second floor here. I think these are the bedrooms here and here. I'm not sure what this is, maybe another bedroom. This you can see down into the kitchen. And there's a skylight that goes all the way down. The stairs is right here. I'll zoom in a little more on that. And then this is the main floor. This is the fireplace here. Windows and stuff. And then here's the first floor. I'll show around the other side here. So I think this is actually the back of the house, and then I haven't finished this up, but this is the carport. I think it goes kind of something like this. Oops, that's not on camera, sorry. Here's the carport. I think it goes kind of like right here. And then this wall, this is the back of the carport wall. I think it goes like that. And then the carport kind of goes like this. Maybe like that. And then this is just another extra wall that goes out in front somewhere. So I'll get some zoom in here on the interior. Let's see if we can get zoomed in on the kitchen here. Oops, this comes off here. You can see the kitchen a little better. So this is very little painting. I did mostly printing in several colors. This is like a brick color. I think it's actually red in the original house. And then the cement walls I did with a marble color. And then this is a wood grain. Oh, this stuff is a pain to print. Yeah, the wood grain stuff, I hate printing that. It's just makes such a mess. Let's see if that goes back on there. Wait, is that right? Yeah. No, wait a minute. I was wrong. I'm sorry, the garage comes off this way. Like that. Just back out a little bit. Yeah, here's how the garage goes. Or it's not the garage, the carport goes up. I think this is kind of like that. Yeah, there's the carport like that. Then this wall, I think goes like that. I'll have to look at the directions again on how the walls go. But I'll take the phone out of this. So for the windows, I cut up, this is just a piece of plastic that, I don't know, something came in. I cut that up to make the windows. And then these windows like this, I use tape so it's a little bit less transparent. Get some more close up here of the rooms. So I'm gonna light it. I ordered a whole bunch of surface mount LEDs. They're coming from China, so they should be here in a couple weeks, but I'm gonna put lights probably in most of the rooms. And the only painting I did do was on this the roof. I printed in black, make the shadow out of there. And then I gave it a dusting of, it's actually gray primer spray paint. So that's how I got the effect on that. The rest of it is all as printed. That, and then this goes. Oops. This will kind of go off the side here for the carport. I think this wall here kind of goes in front. Maybe kind of like that. Sorry, I've got some weird shadows going on here. So some tips for anybody who wants to print this off and build it. This is in HO scale, and so you use 29% for everything. He's got the scaling on here. I think it's 0000 scale is the original model. Also, you can print a lot of the pieces that he has several parts to. You can print them all as one. It talks about that in the directions. The one thing it doesn't talk about in the directions are these doors. Unless you want to do a whole lot of filing to get these to fit right, I think this is the Y dimension. I printed those actually 1% smaller just so they fit in the openings a little bit better. Otherwise, you're going to spend a lot of time with a file making those fit just right. Other than that, I think I printed it pretty much just as just as the files were. It is a little complicated. Like I said, it's a lot of work putting it together. But yeah, I think it's really cool.